Landforms of the Earth. Gradation. The leveling of the Earth's surface by natural processes called gradation. There are two types of processes that bring about gradation on the Earth's surface. They are internal forces. They act from within the Earth towards the surface like volcanic eruptions and earthquake. External forces. These forces act on the surface of the Earth like running water, moving ice, wind, and waves. They are collectively called the agents of gradation. Degradation and aggradation. Natural forces sometimes act on the land surface and break its exposed surface into the rock fragments and carry away these rock fragments. This process results in the reduction of landforms and is called degradation. The rock fragments obtained from degradation and deposited in low-lying areas. This results in an increase in the heights of these areas. This process is termed aggradation. Both these processes work simultaneously, bringing about an equilibrium on the Earth's surface. Action of glaciers. Slow-moving masses of snow and ice are called glaciers. They are also known as rivers of ice. Glaciers have their origin in snowfields and ice caps, the thick sheets of ice covering the polar and high mountain regions. Like rivers, glaciers also break and carry away rock materials. The valley formed by a glacier has steep sides and a flat bottom. It resembles the letter U. Such a valley is called U-shaped valley. When a glacier descends a valley, it melts because of the warmer climate. Its loads consisting of clay, sand, gravel, and boulders cannot be carried anymore and is eventually dropped. These deposits are called moraines. Action of waves. Sea waves are responsible for the change in the topography of coastal regions. In places where the coastal is rocky with a steep slope, an almost vertical wall of rock is formed by the erosive action of sea waves. This is called a sea cliff. The chalk cliffs of England are a very good example of sea cliffs. The western coast of India too has some cliffs. Gradually, the cliffs is worn away and recedes inland, leaving behind a flat surface called a wave-cut platform. You might have seen capes along coast. Do you know how sea capes are formed? If the base of a cliff is weak, sea waves eat away its base, scooping out holes. With the passage of time, these holes become enlarged and take the form of sea capes. Gradually, these capes get bigger and only the roofs remains, forming arcs. As erosion continues, the roof collapses, leaving only the wall, which are called stakes. Stakes get further eroded to form stumps. When the coast is made up of alternate bands of a hard and soft rock, the soft rock erodes faster, forming bays. The hard rocks are the most resistant and stand out as headlands. The eroded materials are deposited by the wave along the coast. These deposits accumulate and form a beach. It is essentially made up of sand, gravel, and pebbles brought by the waves. The Marina Beach in Chennai and Kovalam in Kerala are good examples. When sand and gravel get deposited on the sea floor a little away from the coast, narrow, elongated sandbars are formed. Sometimes, a portion of the sea gets enclosed between the sandbar and the coast. This is called a lagoon. It is the saltwater lake. The Chilka Lake in Odisha and Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu are the examples of large lagoons. A number of lagoons or backwater are located on the coast of Kerala.